Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Skeleton. You can call me Kelly Loves a Lot, and today I'll be doing this video on this look, this orange flame look that I tried to do. This is my first attempt at it. Please excuse the mediocrity the mediocrity that is going on here, but like, if you want to see how I achieved it, please continue watching. Remember to subscribe if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave a comment on the comment section down below. Thank you so much, and let's jump right into this footage of this eye look. Alright guys, thank you. Okay guys, so I have my eyebrows on already, and what are you looking at? We are going to do an orange look today. Maybe I'll add some flame to it. I'm not sure. If I am able to, I will do it, but if I fail, you will not see it. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35O. These orange shades here is what we're going with, and we're also going to use some of the BH Cosmetics oranges. It only has like one orange for BH Cosmetics, but yes, let's get right into it. Going into a lighter shade of orange first. Day 2 of lockdown. We in this. What's up? I should have done one eye first. Let see. Hey, like I was saying, it's day 1. Day 2, guys. Day 2, guys. And we're doing an orange look. Yesterday I did a red one. So we're going to do an orange look. What are you guys doing during this extreme social distancing? What are you guys up to? What are your plans? What do you plan to achieve during this time? I'm planning to do makeup every day and deliver content every day. So wish me luck on that, guys.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Okay, that's enough orange. And now we're not really cutting the crease. We're doing the most today, guys. How am I going to do this? Should I cut the lines with concealer first and then put the yellow on top? We're going to cut the flames. Cut the flames with concealer. How do the flames go? It's going to be hard. We did the other eye off camera, and this side is a bust because I did this side first. But yeah, now we're gonna shade. Now we're gonna shade the colors in to the flame. Right, let's start with this eye because it's the eye. I'm gonna start with white and mixed with the naked color. I'll do this eye off camera because like can't. So for the yellow line, I'm gonna use one of these face paints I bought. Why do you like this? I'm gonna use this. Why does it look green? I swear it's yellow, guys. What the hell? Why is it translating green? It's not lime, it's yellow, I swear. Ooh, this shit is hard. Look how bad my flames are, but we tried. This with some yellow. My flames are so bad, but first attempt and there's nothing we can do. Yo, okay, I'm back and it's a mess and embarrassimo. I am embarrassed, but we're gonna go with it. So yes, we're just gonna go with it, and let me do the rest of my face now. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. We're back, and this is the final look. I do not like my flames, especially this side. This side is a struggle. Both sides are a struggle. It's creasing, it's doing the most. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if you want me to do more looks like this. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping up with me this whole time. It was a struggle. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment of whatever it is that you want to say. Share this video and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And remember to keep calm and laugh a lot. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye.